I think budget is very optimistic, progressive, and we as an SOCHM have given around 40 recommendations on the different sectors, around 20 sectors, and I'm very happy to say that out of 40, 25 have been considered, and it has been approved and considered. And some of them, those suggestions were under the 5 pillar: ease of doing business, MSME growth, Make in India, which is the first and foremost importance for Atmanirbhar Bharat, and digitization and sustainability. And the key takeaway from each sector, I would say, from Make in India, the ECMS scheme, for 22,000 to 40,000 is one of the very important. It will improve our localization of display and semiconductor. And the semiconductor mission SM2, that has been, enhanced outlook. And the mineral rich state, to promote mineral rich state and to use of our कच्चे माल की जो खपत है उसमें, then like rare earth metal and all that. So this is about the Make in India. About the ease of doing business, I would like to highlight the compliance, on the digitization and of easing in the custom and income tax. I think is very, very important. Very, very good initiative. The demand, will increase from SEZ to domestic tax, which has been no tax, zero tax. So demand will increase and job will increase and manufacturing will increase further. It will boost to manufacturing. And then the simplification, as I said, of the tax compliances. And then the MSME growth, very happy to say that about 10,000 crore outflow, which is very commendable. And MSME position as champions, fabulous. And one of the very important work on the MSME is that 5,000 crore allocation of tier 2 and tier 3 cities, So there we will get a job in those cities and MSME will grow in that area. So the people don't need to come from those states to the major urban cities and all that. So they will get job there itself. So these are the few, areas, but I think overall a positive budgets. I think economy should boost. Make in India should improve and we should proceed to Vikasit Bharat 2047.